The Youth Assembly on Climate Change meets in the Dáil and submits 10 recommendations. A former US ambassador tells the Trump impeachment hearings she felt intimidated by the president, who was attacking her on Twitter as she was giving her testimony. And the Irish Coast Guard withdraws inshore rescue boats from service after the reported malfunction of life jackets. Shane McGowan has the news in detail.
The first ever Youth Assembly on Climate Change has submitted 10 recommendations following its discussions in the Dáil. 157 young people from the 26 counties gathered in the Dáil chamber to speak about what Ireland needed to do in the areas of economics, food, farming, power and education. The proceedings were chaired by the